Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make the robot. Here's a robot using Play-doh. Here I have 6 Play-doh on the table. Let's count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's learn all the colors. We have purple Play-doh, light blue Play-doh, pink Play-doh, dark blue, green, and yellow. Okay, are you guys ready to do it with me? Let's do it together. Let's remove the robot from the sling. Okay, we're going to use the light blue first. Let's see what we have. Oh, very cool, guys. Here's a light blue robot. Cool. Alright, let's put him out to the side. And let's start with purple Play-doh next. Alright, let's see what we have. Look at this, guys. We have a purple robot. Cool. Next, we're going to use the dark blue. Whoa, look at this, guys. We have a new robot, and he's dark blue. Next, we're going to use pink Play-doh. Whoa, look at this, guys. Here's a pink robot. Very cool, right? Okay, next we have a green Play-doh. Here's a Play-doh. Wow, look at this, guys. We have a green robot. Cool, right? Lastly, we have a yellow Play-doh. Cool, look at what we have here. we have a yellow robot. Okay guys, we finally have all 6 robots on the table. Let's name all the colors one more time. We have a purple robot, dark blue, green, yellow, pink, and light blue robot. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.